Well, here's my next project for a future video. I got this old rototiller locally today, this morning. It's an old Sears Roto-Spader, I think from the 70s. So this was initially on Facebook Marketplace for 40 bucks. The guy was gonna let me have it for 30. And then I got there to look at it in person this morning and I noticed there's no fuel tank on it. So I actually was able to talk him down to 20 bucks. So I guess that was a good score. But anyway, the fuel line's just sticking out there connected to nothing. Spark plug wire's disconnected. Not sure if the plug itself is still good. I think it's the Champion CJ8 plug that fits it. The throttle cable up there is good and seems to operate the choke. Not sure about the transmission or the drive mechanism, but it's a worm gear drive, so I may need to just put some gear oil in there or something. Pretty sure this is a Tecumseh engine. Not sure what this says, I haven't looked at it closely yet. And the rear drag bar, I think it's called, seems to be missing. And the wheels appear to be height adjustable, I guess, depending on the depth you want to go. And then it seems to have been tinkered with at some point because it's got like an aftermarket Craftsman air cleaner on it. So I got some kind of Tecumseh replacement fuel tank. I mean, it's entirely possible it may not be an exact fit, but it's a curved type to fit on the front, which I think the original tank would have been. And it has some kind of tabs on it, and it looks like it might fit into here somehow if I can make it fit. Here's the carb bowl. Haven't really messed with this at all yet, but hopefully this carb doesn't need to be rebuilt or anything. I'm hoping I can just clean it out. And I have no idea, of course, when this would have ran last. Even if it's beyond repair, I'd rather just be out 20 bucks or so than have to spend 500 or 600 bucks for a brand new rototiller. Because I'd probably lose a lot of money if I bought a brand new one and wanted to resell it at some point. So hopefully this shouldn't be too bad, and I'm hoping I can get it up and running. So we'll keep our fingers crossed. Stay tuned for a new video. As far as the truck, just wanted to say a quick update. I didn't film absolutely everything, but obviously I've got it all back together. The pedal still feels a little bit soft, so I might have a bit of air still in the lines since these were a bit difficult to bleed by myself. But anyway, it's all back together like I said, and what I ended up having to do was to just replace this driver's side flex hose, and that cured the leak. So knock on wood, it seems to be fine, at least for the time being, and I'm happy about that. I was happy to drive it again. So this is a really nice old truck. I'm almost to 145,000. Really not bad for its age. I hope I can keep this for the rest of my lifetime, pass it down to my kids if I have kids, whatever. It'd be nice, heirloom. So anyway, thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned on more updates for this when I have more parts. Try to start working on this. Should be fun. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.